All right, we're walking in. Today, we have a, oh shit. Today, they supposedly took the popcorn ceilings down, but it looks like they're putting sheetrock back up. And I'm not sure I'm impressed by that, but it looks like that's what, oh, here we go. Here we go. So this is the state the ceilings are in when you pull popcorn ceilings off, because this isn't new sheetrock, this is the old ceiling plaster. Wow. So they're just gonna do a lot of repair now. Interesting. And then, oh my God, my floors. Here's this one. It's not as bad as I would have thought. Do you think so, David? Wow. I don't know why we can't have smooth. So definitely lots of cracks from a settling house, but not nearly as bad as I was worried about. And then in here, gosh, it already looks better, don't you think? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What about my room? This is my room. Other than the pinkness. Now this, oh my gosh, this had knocked down. But they had a roof leak. So this had a water leak in it, and that's why this state is what it is. And this had texture in it when this was added on, I'm gonna gather. I don't know when this was added on. That's future. It smells very wet in this room. I think it took a lot of water. But the process they do this with is they had a hose in here and they spray the roof and they make it wet. And then they spray up. And upstairs, man, the whole thing's done already. There's that. Holy schmoly. You're just gonna see a lot of ceilings. Oh. Oh. And they said that they couldn't guarantee the wallpaper, not that I care. But I think they did a pretty good job. I don't see any damage on the wallpaper. It's interesting. So here's a little bit of cracking. Oh, and then look, we've had water damage here at some point. I think we're definitely gonna have to get on the roof. It is very much like walking in a haunted house, though. Whoa, this one's nice. Let's hope I think I'm going to tell him not to do anything on this one. Maybe he's done this one. This one might already be done. And this one. Oh, I bet he's done that first bedroom. That's why. Oh, we see there, finally, the first place where there's wallpaper that has come away from the wall. And it looks like it was painted green underneath. So we're gonna have to see what's under the wallpaper. All right, day one. This is what we got. It looks like that lamp broke. Let's see. Oh God. Hey, David. I don't know what they did. So the two lamps that I didn't want damaged are missing. So let's hope, cross your fingers, that they took them off and put them somewhere. Let's see what my chandelier looks like. I wish that we had just taken them down It's covered. Oh no. Oh well, I guess we'll find them. Anybody know where I can find any good old-fashioned 1935 ceiling lamps? Because I tell you what, the ones I don't care about are here, and the ones I do care about are missing. There's their stuff. Alrighty, I don't know where David's gone. So we'll go back outside. But there you go. Day one, you've seen it. It's super weird, all this plastic. Super weird. And then the outside, oh, David's gone into his little room. Let's see. Oh, he's in the garage. Yeah, I didn't take you on a tour of the garage yesterday. It's also in a scary little state. So my lamps, the only two lamps that I wanted to keep, are missing. This is the garage. It smells like my grandpa's house. It's had water damage. Lots and lots of water damage. It smells like a musty old garage. There's the ceiling with lots of mold, which needs to come down. And look at the old racked shelves, and somebody had a leaky car there. But we're gonna try and, I don't know if we're gonna try and save this room. We'll see. We need to consult. But this is by far not the most important aspect of this remodel. Right now, the important stuff is the inside of the main house. I'll take you, this is the other outbuilding in the yard. It's got the same wallpaper as the living room and some nice scary carpet. I've not been in it. I don't know if David has, because they haven't been able to open the door when I've been here. Pear tree. I hate pears. And since that broke off, I'm going to take it home. My gladiola. All right. I'm not going to do a conclusion here. Let's turn this around. Oh, look at their cute suit. They have a rubber suit. All right. That's it for today from the backyard at the new place. It turned out really nice. Now, I don't know what the texturing. I think they've textured in the master bedroom, and it looks good. So I'm okay with what's happening. Yeah, I'm missing 2 lampshades, which scares me a lot. Hopefully they put them in the closet or something, and I can't see them. But other than that, it's pretty awesome. And I'll let you go. It's kind of fun checking on somebody else's work for a change.